Oh, District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Jalen Dye, ticket number P137932, count 1 in proper place. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Ruck on behalf of Mr. Jalen Dye. Mr. Dye, state your name.
My name is Jalen Dye.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Dye has presented me with documents validating that his plates are good. He has the documents. I have reviewed them.
Stipulate your probable cause, Mr. Rucker.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dye, and you do have valid documentation. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The People versus Melina Robinson. Oh, this.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Hold on, Ms. Robinson.
All right, People versus Melina Robinson, ticket number P131204. One, loiter in place of illegal occupation with intent to engage.
Tyron Ruck on behalf of Ms. Melina Robinson. Ms. Robinson, state your name.
Melina Robinson.
Yeah, go ahead.
Could you direct Mr. Davis to remain quiet?
Mr. Davis, you got a lot of noise in your background, sir. You have to remain quiet, sir. Go ahead.
Your Honor, we have had an opportunity to pre-try this case. As such, Ms. Robinson's indicated she would like to plead under the 3-month delayed sentence. And I did explain to her what happens under a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that correct, Ms. Robinson?
That is correct.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Rucker, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, ma'am.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
No.
I didn't hear your answer.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
All right, and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to February 15, 2022 at 2:04 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Bond in Santa Clara in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and did you loiter in a place of illegal occupation with intent to engage?
That's a question, Ms. Robinson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Robinson. So you have 3 months to pay the fine of $200. Did you want to do the fine or did you want to do community service?
How long would community service be?
You have to do 20 hours of community service.
I can do the community service, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll do 20 hours of community service. And you can have it completed by the next court date, which is May 9th at 8:35.
You said May 9.
Yeah.
And also, I think you're gonna have to get with the court to find out what's acceptable with the 36th District Court, correct?
I'm gonna give her a phone number.
Okay.
And it's the person named Ms. Green, and she'll set up your community service. So, let me know whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Your next date is May 9th at 8:35. Once you complete the community service and you don't get any more tickets, so it's essentially no further police contact, this will be dismissed off your record. So
Okay.
Are you ready for, the phone number?
Yes, just give me 1 second.
It's a- just bring it, you can throw that away now.
Ready for the phone number.
Okay, it's 85, I'm sorry, it's 313-965-8130.
313-965-8130.
Yep, that's it. It's Miss Green. So you call Miss Green and she'll set up your community service.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
Nope. No questions.
We're all set, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
Fine, if you're ready on Miss Denham
I am.
and maybe Capri State. All right, this is the people versus Toya Denham, ticket number SP 1214791, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, P 53750, appearing on behalf of Toya Denham. Ms. Denham, will you please state your name for the record? Thank you. Your Honor, at this time, my client is requesting a bench trial in this matter. She is waiving jury.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Denham. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for February 24th at 9:00.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set.
Ms. Denham, you can leave.
February 24th at 9, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You ready on Caprice Davis?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, this is the people, Mr. Davis, unmute yourself and get in the vid camera.
Hello?
All right, this is the people versus Caprice Davis, ticket number U 628401222, count 1, carrying a knife. Both violation of knife ordinance, ticket number P 1329310, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1299762, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number P 178502, count 1, driver license suspended, and ticket number P 1110402, count 1, violation of license restriction. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Melissa Vinek, appearing on behalf of Caprice Davis. Mr. Davis, will you please state your name for the record?
Caprice Davis.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, there has been a resolution in this matter. The resolution is with respect to the charge that deals with the violation of a knife ordinance. My client will be tendering a plea that will be under a 3-month delayed sentence. In addition to that, Your Honor, the charges for the driving while license suspended, violation of license restrictions, and no insurance misdemeanors, my client will be tendering a plea of failure to display in exchange. The driving while license suspended, violation of license restrictions, and no insurance misdemeanor will be dismissed. My client understands he has a right to have a hearing in this matter. At this time, he does wish to tender a plea and he's ready to go.
Raise your hand, Mr. Davis.
Yes,
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes, I do.
Ready, put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Binding, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no, they haven't.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes,
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 3rd, 2022 at 8 a.m. On that date and time, did you carry a knife that was longer than 3 inches?
yes,
Was the knife concealed in your belt?
yes,
All right, you're satisfied with signing?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Without satisfied with factual basis. I'm gonna direct your attention to March 18, 2022 at 12:07 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Randolph and East Lafayette, in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
All right, you're satisfied with signing?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Without satisfied factual basis, will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
They are dismissed without prejudice, and we will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine for the 3-month delayed sentence, and then also a $200 fine for the fail to display. So you're gonna have a total of $400 to pay. Because you have a 3-month delayed sentence, I'm just gonna give you 3 months to pay everything, because I think it becomes confusing when you have different due dates. So you have till May 9th to pay the $400 at 8. And also, that's gonna be your next court date, because you have to pay the $200 fines for the delayed sentence, and you can't get any more tickets. So no more driving while license suspended tickets. I see you have a number of those that have been dismissed. You can't get any more tickets. If you do not get any more, if you don't get any more tickets, you paid the fine, then this will be dismissed off your record, the knife ordinance. You'll still have the fail to display charge or conviction, but you won't have the other. Does that make sense?
yes,
All right, so your next court date, May 9th at 8:35. And you gotta make sure you pay the $400 by then.
okay,
All right, any questions?
no, nope,
All right, you cleared up all your tickets, so you don't have any more tickets in warrant status. So if you wanna get your license, you're still gonna have to pay a reinstatement fee.
okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Can you hear me there?
Mr.
All
Davis, you can leave.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Bucker, the
Yes.
offer for D'Angelo Daniels is plead to a fail to display and to, looks like, hold on 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry. One is plead to open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and then plead to fail to display an improper plate, and then dismiss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tickets.
Okay,
plead
so
to-
I just want to make sure I have it right, Judge. Fail to display open alcohol driver, improper plates, and the remaining will be dismissed.
Yeah, dismiss 14 tickets. That's
Okay,
what
yeah, I know he had a whole lot. Okay,
Yep, that's the
I'll go and talk with him now.
Oh, Ms. Bynum, thank you so much for speaking to Mr. Dillon. I got your email.
You're good there. Okay, good.
So he can go.
Okay, he wasn't sure 100% about the date.
Yeah, I bring him out.
just to make